Hello, and welcome to the tutorial on inserting a title block into your CAD file for AET 125. As you can see here, I'm starting in the Blackboard course shell. You may also want to make sure that you have AutoCAD open and available already before you get anywhere. So what I'm going to do here, first thing you need to do is go into the AET CET drafting standards. In there, you will see the title block already set up, a CAD file. What you want to do is you want to click on that title block and download it. Make sure you are in Firefox or Chrome to do this. The Internet Explorer just seems to have problems and doesn't work properly with these CAD files. So that is a warning. So if you're not able to download it, that may be your issue. Once you have downloaded it, you want to open it up in AutoCAD. As you can see here, I have this open. I also have a second file open over here where I will insert the title block. So first things first, I am going to select the title block itself. I'm going to right-hand click, go to clipboard. I'm going to copy it with the base point, and the base point is going to be right there in the lower corner. Next thing I'll do is I will now go to my blank drawing. As you can see, I am already in paperspace as I was going through and doing some trial and error. But if you are in model space and you want to be able to find a paperspace, one of the easiest ways to have that is to display your model tabs. And you want to type in options in the command line. Once you get into options, you want to go into display. And you want to click down here in layout elements where it says display, layout, and model tabs. Once you have done that, you will see down here in the corner that you'll have these tabs, which will say either model or work, which make it more convenient as you're going through and doing this. Alright, so next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your page setup is correct. So now go in here, you can see the page setup is 24 by 36. You can see right there. You can see it's ArcD, which is that paper size itself, 24. You want to go with your layout. So basically the white area on the screen. You want to make sure that your scale is 1:1, which is fine there, and all that. And then you also notice that from the previous video that I have installed the DTCC standard, the CTB file, and put that in there as well. So this is all set. This is the way you want it to look. This could be 1:1, not 1 foot to 1 foot, and that is okay as long as it is an equal ratio here. All this stuff here, and this is just how you want your screen to look when you're going in there. So make sure it matches that before you go any further. All right. So I'm gonna hit OK. I'm gonna actually hit cancel here. Oh, sorry, hit OK because the page set up, and I'll close this. Now I'm going to insert the title block. So I'm going to right-hand click. I will go to my clipboard again, and I will paste this. Now you see since I snapped on the base point, I am right down here at the bottom. So now it asks for an insertion point. I'm going to type 0, 3/16 in the command line. You can see down here, and when I hit enter, you can see that line now is pretty much right on everywhere it needs to be. So that is a nice crisp setup. And you can see all your title blocks there. This is just text. You can double click on it and edit it and do what you need to do to make your different pages. Don't forget you can rename your tabs down here if you need to rename them to floor plan or whatever. Once you have it set up, you can also make a copy by hitting move copy. You can click so that it's at the very end and hit create a copy. And when I hit OK, you can see now I have a tab work 2, and if I click on work 2, it is the same as the original work. So your title block, once you insert it the first time and have everything in there, you can do your second. You can just keep copying it and modifying the page numbers and modify the viewports on there. One quick reminder, remember when you're doing your viewports, easy way to do that is to type mview, which is a multi-view. You can then draw a box, and you can see what is in the paper space. In this example here, I do not have anything in my model space, so it does not matter. But you can then click on this down here and then set your scale for what the viewport would look at. So that's what it would look like at 1/4 inch scale. I hope this tutorial has helped you in setting up your title block, and good luck in completing the project. If you need any further questions, feel free to ask me in class. Thank you.